Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this amazing, absolutely delicious mushrooms pepper pot. Over the Christmas season I was not well at all, so I did not do anything really for Christmas. So forgive me if I'm now sharing this recipe. You can make this any time of year. I'll share the link for the rest of my pepper pot in the description box. So here I have some oyster mushrooms. Those are absolutely amazing and delicious. And I also have the king mushrooms here. You can also fry those. These ones here, guys, oh my gosh, they're actually like chicken. All right, so you're gonna slice this up to your desired size here. And you're gonna add your seasoning. Now, if you do not have your house green seasoning, I'll leave the link in the description box and you can make that. You're gonna add your onion powder, garlic powder, pepper flakes, and cassareep. This is what makes it the pepper pot. And of course, pepper. I did add black pepper, chili flakes. And we're gonna marinate this well. After, we are going in with our clove powder, cinnamon stick, star spice, orange peel, and we're gonna mix that in just a little bit more. I did also add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and you can adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. I did add 1 habanero pepper and fine thyme, definitely need those. And let this cook for about, this took about 30 minutes, but you can check your mushrooms and see how you like them and adjust to your likeness. This is absolutely amazing. I know some vegetarians out there are going to love this right here. Yeah, so I do hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and a comment. And if you have not yet subscribed, I do hope you do so. And thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Love you guys, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye bye now.